On December 15, 2008, the first day of Simbang Gabi, my father passed away. I cannot fully put into words the depth of the pain. My father was my hero. Every sleepless night, every shift, every exam was driven by my mental image of the parents standing at my graduation, smiling. I wanted to say to them, Nay, Tay, tayo naman. And in an instant, half of the dream was gone. When grief hits you, sometimes you ask God, bakit ngayon pa? Bakit ngayon kung kailan pinagbubutihan ko naman ang trabaho ko? But life doesn't always answer us right away. Pain leaves us two choices. You can let it stop you, or you can let it refine you. I chose to let it refine me.